The new building's amazing for us. It's a 90,000 square foot building that for our manufacturing and our innovation teams and our engineering, it's going to support us into the future.
What we wanted to reflect in the overall design of the building was matching our mission to be a world-leading innovation business.
This brings all functions in manufacturing together to increase the speed of innovation and allow for ample manufacturing capacity to drive organic growth now and well into the future.
Just by having everybody on the one site means that there's the opportunity for people to learn from each other where they may not have heard those conversations before. We've intentionally designed our spaces so that teams can be all together rather than separated across different floors or different buildings.
Yeah, definitely having everyone under one roof has been awesome. In the old building it was quite difficult where if you're trying to get something through production or you're trying to find out more information, you can send someone a message on Teams and you're kind of stuck with that's it. But now you can just wander upstairs, go have a chat with the person you want to talk to.
We can get samples done quickly. We have a great feedback loop on any issues related to design for manufacturing.
Everything's on site, it speeds things up. We haven't got to phone people up and wait for answers. You know, as the manufacturing manager of Innitel, I feel really proud of this place. And we put a lot of work in to make it look this good.
Showing that we're an end-to-end operation is very important. So for us to present our business as a design, manufacture, ship has a massive benefit for our customers. We have a clear path now as a business. We are focused on our electrification, the new products that we're developing and the strategy we have going forward. This building will support us into the future for sure.
You know, Innitel has a great team, a great business, a great laser customer focus, and now a great facility to match that.